Welcome to the best picks. The best washing machine tray is probably one of the most overlooked laundry accessories, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your washing machine area clean and preventing costly water damage. In this video, we will explore the key features to look for when choosing a washing machine tray, ensuring you select the perfect one to protect your floors and maintain a tidy laundry space. We'll review several top-rated models, comparing their size, material, durability, and overall effectiveness in containing spills and messes from your washing machine. Number 5. ELTOW Laundry Guard. Tired of finding stray socks behind your appliances? This magnetic guard keeps clothes where they belong, creating a tidy laundry space. It comes with a silicone cover to seal the gap between your washer and dryer. Say goodbye to clothes falling into that hard-to-reach space. 8 powerful magnets ensure it stays put, providing a secure barrier to keep your laundry contained. Whether you have a single machine or a stackable set, this versatile guard is designed to fit your laundry room layout. It's not just for washers and dryers. Use it on your refrigerator to keep items from falling behind it. Simply attach it to the flat, magnetic surfaces of your appliances. It's quick and easy to set up. Remember, it only works on flat, magnetic surfaces. Please measure the space above your machines to ensure you have enough clearance. What we like? It's magnetic, so it's super easy to install and fits perfectly between your washer and dryer. Plus, it comes with a silicone gap cover to prevent clothes from falling behind. If you're tired of lost socks and want a clean, organized laundry space, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say? The magnets are strong and hold well. Also, the plastic is a substantial weight. The magnets are strong and hold really well. This is the perfect solution to the problem we were having. It stays in place and looks nice with the mat we have in the middle. Fits perfectly. Easily assembled, sturdy. Magnets hold it in place. Number 4. VBENLEM Washing Machine Pan. It's large enough to fit most washing machines, preventing water damage to your floors from leaks or condensation. Say goodbye to unsightly water spots and foul odors. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to withstand daily use and resist corrosion. This pan is a reliable and long-lasting solution for your laundry needs. It comes with a pre-cut drain hole and adapter, making installation quick and easy. No need for extra tools or drilling. The 2.5-inch high edges provide extra protection against leaks and overflows, keeping your floors safe and dry. It offers peace of mind against unexpected water damage. Perfect for washing machines, but also ideal for use under dryers, dishwashers, or refrigerators. Protect your floors from various appliance leaks. What we like? This one is extra large, so it fits almost any washing machine. It's made of heavy-duty stainless steel, meaning it's super durable and will last for years. If you need a reliable and long-lasting washing machine tray, this is the one for you. What people say? The stainless steel pan material, depth, thickness, and quality welds make this a great product. It is the perfect size for most washing machines and can provide a protected area for anything else that could leak. Being steel, it can also provide a floor barrier and containment for potential flammable liquids. Number 3. ABP Washing Machine Pan. Say goodbye to water damage worries. This durable pan protects your floor from leaks, providing peace of mind. It comes with a drain adapter for simple setup. Plus, you can easily customize the drain hole placement to fit your needs. With its generous interior dimensions of 30x28, it fits most washing machines and dryers. Check the product description for the full dimensions. Made from heavy-gauge, high-impact recycled plastic, it's resistant to rust, corrosion, and hot water. It's built to last. 100% American-made and manufactured with recycled plastic, we're committed to quality and sustainability. Contact us with any questions, we're here to help. Order your ABP washing machine pan now and experience the ultimate in floor protection and peace of mind. What we like? It's undrilled, giving you the freedom to customize the drain placement to perfectly fit your needs. It's made of durable plastic, so it's lightweight and easy to move around. If you value flexibility and want a tray that's easy to install, this is a great option. What people say? This is a good design. I keep these under my washer and dryer simply to keep from scratching the floors when either machine needs to be pulled out for cleaning or repair. This fit our LG washer great with some room in front and behind. The sides are slightly bendable, which worked great for the space we had available. Number 2. Lambro LAO 1781 Washer Tray. Say hello to superior floor protection for your washing machine. This tray safeguards your floors from spills and scratches. It's designed to fit standard size washing machines, providing ample coverage for any potential overflow. No more worrying about water damage or unsightly scuff marks. It's a simple solution for a big problem. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with everything you need, including a drain fitting, for quick and easy installation. Weighing in at just 4.9 pounds, it's incredibly easy to handle and built to last. It's a smart investment for your home. This tray provides comprehensive protection, keeping your floors safe and looking their best. It's the perfect addition to your laundry room. What we like? This tray is oversized, providing extra protection for your floors. It's designed for standard size washing machines, making it a simple and effective solution. If you need a simple, reliable, and easy to use washing machine tray, this is a great choice. What people say. This was the perfect size for under my washer-dryer combo. It's very sturdy and easy to clean. I use this tray underneath an upright freezer and it works perfectly to keep the occasional drips from ruining my laminate floor. Great tray. Nice and oversized. I use this tray to put under my two automatic cat litter boxes. It does a great job of catching all of the extra litter that gets scattered about when the cats exit the box, and it's wicked easy to clean. All I have to do is take it outside and either hose or power wash it off. Number 1. Camco 20750 Washing Machine Pan. Say goodbye to leaky washing machine worries. This durable pan protects your floors from unexpected spills. It's made from heavy-duty plastic, built to last. You'll have peace of mind knowing it can handle the job. Installation is a breeze. Pre-cut lines and included fittings make setup simple and quick. With inside dimensions of 27L x 30W and a height of 212, it's designed to fit most standard washing machines. The outside dimensions are 30L x 32W. It comes with everything you need, a 1-inch 112-inch PVC drain fitting, lock nut, and washer. It's ready to go right out of the box. This high-quality pan is made with pride in the USA using durable, injection-molded plastic. It's built to last. Its stylish graphite color blends seamlessly with your laundry room decor. It's both functional and attractive. What we like? It's made of durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting use. It comes with a drain fitting for easy installation and is made in the USA. If you're looking for a high-quality, American-made washing machine tray, this one is for you. What people say. This one that I bought is made of great quality and fits the washing machine perfectly. The fit is great and easy to clean. Size is right and now we feel happy to keep it under the washer. This pan is made of thick, durable plastic. Nothing like what I've seen in the hardware store. Well built and very strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.